Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download stitch alternatives with Fivetran connectors, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to download stitch alternatives using Fivetran connectors. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to the official Fivetran website. Once there, log in to your Fivetran account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, locate the Connectors section in the menu. Click on the Add Connector button. A list of available connectors will appear. Browse through this list to find the alternatives to stitch. Once you've identified the desired connector, click on it to select. Read through the connector descriptions for further details. To proceed, click the Start Setup button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Provide any necessary configuration details when prompted. Ensure that you have the correct credentials and connection parameters. After entering the required information, click on Save. Once saved, the connector will begin syncing data. Monitor the sync status to ensure everything is running smoothly. If any issues arise, consult the troubleshooting section. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded stitch alternatives using Fivetran connectors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.